Okay, welcome to the first part of this series. In this series, we're gonna look at divisibility and testing for divisibility by numbers. The series will be about testing numbers for whether they're divisible by 2, by 3, by 6, and by 9. It's gonna be really easy, so we're gonna start off with divisible by 2. I think it's very straightforward, but we have to start somewhere, so let's just take a look at these couple of examples. So anytime I want to check if a number is divisible by 2, I really just have to check whether it's odd or even. I mean, that's that's the test. So how do I check if a number is odd or even? I just look at the smallest, well, the unit number or the singles value, and in this case 4. Will 2 go into 4? Yes, it will. If I check 16, I don't worry about the 10 part, I just worry about the 6. So is this an odd or an even number? It's an even number, so yes, 2 will go into that as well. 37, obviously we can divide it by 2, but then we're going to have, like 0.5, and that's not what the test is about. The test is where the 2 will go into the number without any remains. So I just look at the unit number, and in this case it's a 7, which tells me it's an odd number, so 2, it will not be divisible by 2. We can look at a little bit of a bigger number, like 103, and I just check the 3, and I see, okay, well, it's an odd number, so this will not be divisible by 2. Again, you look at the unit, I see that's an 8, so obviously 2 will go into 8, and this will definitely be divisible by 2. And then we can make the longest number in the world, we can just carry on, but if the last number is even, then it will be divisible by 2. So if I were to add another number here, let's say I add the number 5, then this big number will not be divisible by 2. But if I add like a 0, this makes the number even, which makes it divisible by 2. So that's the only test. I know it's a very short, simple video. It's going to be more important when we look at divisibility by 6, because then we have to test for divisibility by 2 and 3, but more of that in the next video. Yeah.